The Imperial Electric Oven is engineered to maintain a consistent, accurate temperature throughout the oven cavity, attributes which actually define a professional quality oven. We use a 5 kilowatt serpentine element as our heat source. To protect the element from spills, we use a heavy gauge metal splatter screen. This is located just above the element. To further ensure even heating, a robust, highly sensitive thermostat monitors the temperature and controls the element. The 26-inch depth and 26.5-inch oven width are also instrumental in increasing heat movement, which helps maintain the selected temperature. This cavity size is also perfect for sheet pans to be placed in either direction, side to side, or front to back. The oven cavity is porcelainized on all internal surfaces. This provides better browning than a reflective metallic surface, and it cleans easily. The oven controls are located here, in an insulated, heat-protected side compartment. This extends the service life of the electronics. A strong oven door is a must. We fortify our doors with a stamped liner that also improves heat retention, directing heat back into the cavity. The extra-strength oven hinges are designed specifically for endurance, so this door will hold up, no matter how your staff decides to use it. Temperature consistency and accuracy in a durably built oven. That's what the Imperial Electric Oven is engineered to deliver.